Good morning, Project Homegrowers. Stefan here, and you are watching Project Homegrown, the DIY backyard aquaponics channel where we grow some things in the backyard, sell them, and we use that money to live. So, we have a nutrient deficiency in our aquaponics system. So, we have an iron deficiency in our system, which is normal as it is a new aquaponics system, and iron is one of the things that are particularly challenging to have in solution available with cycling a new system and pH and all of that. So a quick and easy way to bypass your water parameters is to apply your nutrients foliarly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 5 grams of chelated iron, FeEDDHA. We're gonna add it into 5 liters of water, and then we just spray it on every single plant into the system. We did add water, we did add iron supplementation into the water as well, but that's going to take a few days to cycle through the system. And just as a means to speed up our uptake, we can supplement nutrients through foliar application. And then we literally just go about spraying every single plant in the system, and we should see an improvement within the first week already. We will be doing this weekly until we have satisfied the iron deficiency, and we will also be supplementing iron into our water system weekly from here on out as well. That's it, guys. Nothing more here. Just quickly gonna run through this whole system. It's roughly 2.5, almost 3,000 holes planted now. So this should take me just a good 20 minutes or so. And then that one is done for today.